Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today, my hair looks extra good, so I thought, why not wake up, start my day, and film a what we eat in a day. We did just film a vegan version of it. I say vegan because we're not technically vegan, but our day was. We're really just dairy free, so I thought let's do another one, but we will incorporate some baby lead weaning meat protein that we eat. In my last video, I showed you a sweet breakfast. Today, we're gonna do a savory breakfast. For this breakfast, all you're gonna need are eggs. If you put your egg back in the container, psychopath, you throw them away. Some bread, and then whatever you want for like a refreshing side salad. I like to keep it really simple with some cucumber, some tomato, avocado. For baby lead weaning, I cut it down the center. I cut it down the center. You have something that looks like this. Cut. And this is what I serve for Arrow. For cucumber, no, she doesn't have teeth. She doesn't eat it. She just kind of like gnaws on it. It's great for teething. If this was a big tomato, I would peel it, but for these tomatoes, I cut like that. And then this is what I would serve to her. Good for the pincer grasp. Avocado, baby lead weaning. Get one of these from Amazon. It's a little crinkle cutter. And look at this. And this is gonna be so much less frustrating to grip onto for a baby. I like to dress mine with some olive oil and salt and pepper, like really simple. You can prep the side salad if you want. I didn't. It doesn't take too long to cut. The egg is the one thing you really do need to cook. And then bread, if you're doing toasted. Another reason I love baby lead weaning is we get to eat the same foods. So when I'm prepping, I get to prep for both of us, but there are some things you do need to do differently for your meal versus your baby's meal. So honey, the first year of your life, that's a no. It's not in this dish, but just a good reminder. And you're gonna want to avoid adding extra sodium. So I'll salt mine, I'll add everything but the bagel seasoning. For hers, she's gonna have it really simple, really fresh, no salt, no pepper. You can use seasonings like cinnamon or paprika, or even gentle spices if that's in your diet. But for this dish, I don't even think you need it. Again, this is one of my go-tos. I love it. It's so simple. It's so good. Here we go. This is what mine looks like. Hers is a little bit eaten. What do you think? 5 stars? You like it? A good savory, easy breakfast. It does take like 5 minutes, but it is super delicious. Covers a lot of food groups. You love your eggie. I'm eating my hair. You're gonna go after a tomato? Yum. I'll eat a tomato with you. Yum. Good afternoon, everybody. It is now what time? After first nap, lunchtime. But before we hop in, I want to take a second to thank today's sponsor, who is Ritual. Right now, I am almost empty. This is their essential vitamin for women. They were actually conceived, birthed of, from a woman during her pregnancy, which I think is so cool. She was really in that mindset of what is everything I'm putting into my body? What is in my detergent? What is in my vitamin? So she was on a mission to create something that was formulated by Harvard-trained scientists. It is a traceable vitamin with no shady fillers, no colorants. It is vegan, it is non-GMO, it is gluten and allergen free. It is something that I've been really happy to have into my routine and help fill in the gaps of where my nutrients or diet may be lacking. I also love their mint flavor. They do have a delayed release capsule, which does make it nice to take with or without food. It's also just really nice that they're shipped straight to your door so you don't forget to take your vitamin or order them, and you always have them on hand. If you do want to try Ritual for yourself, I will have a link in the description. And they did also give us a promo code I'll put up on screen, but make sure you go check them out because no matter who you are, they definitely have a vitamin for you. Just like that, we are back. We are hungry, which has inspired me to share one of my go-to Trader Joe's. If you don't have Trader Joe's, it's okay. You can still make a version of it, but one of my Trader Joe's favorites. Oh, fridge tour. It always makes me feel like I'm in cribs, but we're actually gonna go down to the frozen section. You're gonna grab this. You are one of the rare people who have not had this. Go pick it up right now. But the other thing you're gonna need from Trader Joe's, where is it? This right here, their French onion crunch. You're also gonna need soy sauce. You can use other versions of this if you live in Canada. But if you do have one near, I'm telling you, try this trio. Again, not gonna work for Arrow, not gonna work for baby led weaning. So what we're gonna do is one of my really easy lunch options. We're gonna need, oh, Arrow's inside the freezer. Hold on. Arrow, that's mommy's breast milk. We're gonna put that back. Once again, this bread I had for breakfast. Arrow's gonna have for lunch with almond butter. You can use peanut butter. Of course, that is an allergen, but cashew butter, you can really get creative here. Just something that has no salt like this. This is just raw almonds. Are you ready? You're gonna get your little feetsies inside? No? This is your new thing? You don't like putting your feet? Oh, I don't want to hurt your feet. I don't want to. Okay, here we go. Here we go. In. Whew. And there we go. Weird light on my face. Lunch is served, a way to elevate frozen food. Pair it with some fresh fruit. And you can do like an easy PB&J. And if you're not eating papaya, you are sleeping on it. It is an easy one to forget for baby led weaning. And my trick is, if it looks kind of like it's rotting from the outside, it's probably a good papaya. We didn't cheers. Cheers. Ooh, spicy. It's dinner. It's one outfit change, one banana popsicle later. We have a teething girl. Finally, first tooth is coming in. It's a little rough. I thought for dinner we would do chicken salad and pizza. I love these. I'm very excited to share them. The first thing we have to do is prep chicken, and this is a really great way to do baby led weaning chicken. If you're just into food prep for yourself, this is a go-to. It's boiled chicken. It's honestly just so easy. You boil water and then put the chicken in. Don't even think about it for 10 to 12 minutes. I use a bag salad. I would love to make my own salad. I used to even make my own dressing. This is just so easy and it's so delicious. Of course, Trader Joe's. Check our chicken. How do you look inside? Do the chicken right into the blender. You could probably let it cool, but I'm impatient. And blend. Just like that. Shredded chicken straight into the meal prep. Can't forget, avocado makes everything better. And that is really it for the salad. For the pizza, this is gonna be the best vegan dairy-free cheese I have found. It is Viola Life Colby Jack shreds. And for the pizzas, I'm gonna use cauliflower crust. I take some of that shredded chicken. We put that right on top. Look how yummy that is. Got some avo, some cucumber. I ended up eating a lot of the papaya, so we're probably just gonna finish it today. I'm just gonna make the whole salad today because I was gonna make myself a pizza, but that didn't happen. So we're having big salad. Like big salad. For that avocado prep we did, let's give it a little mix. Whoa! And finally add in a good chunk of our chicken. I've also made this with tofu and it's really good if you fry it up. And now we have lunch tomorrow. Pair mine with a nice cream soda. What is that about? about, girl? My presentation for dinner tonight is just not my top. There are definitely ways to make this cuter. I just did not do it. Hey, my friends, it's a little bit hotsy-totsy in here. I had to turn the AC on, so I don't know how long that audio is gonna be good for, but we did it. This is a super realistic dinner. This is just like a realistic day. Oh my God, you guys, you have no idea. I just like finished dinner, gave Arrow a bath, I was cleaning up, I was running around, I was getting Arrow ready for bed, I was putting her to bed, and then I looked at Riot and I was like, you haven't pottied yet. I had to get her out of the sleep sack, I had to get her in the stroller, I had to go to the dog park, I had to do the whole shebang, and then come back and do everything all over again. So I am done and a half. I'm gonna eat some chocolate. I'm gonna drink a drink. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that it gave you some ideas on if you're looking into baby-led weaning. It is not the only approach to feed your baby. It is just my approach, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe if you are not. I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Squat break. And is that funny? Is that funny? Silly? Oh.
Life right now is a movie. Yeah. Wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody.